Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your cart on the Shein application. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how to share your cart on Shein. Firstly, go ahead and open up your Shein application. The homepage of Shein application will appear on the screen. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, all you need to do is go ahead and open up your cart, which should be located at the bottom of the screen. You can see that I have added 3 products to my shopping cart. If you want to share your shopping cart with your friends, all you need to do is, firstly, send the items that you have added to your shopping cart to a board. For that, you'll need to add these products to your wish list. Simply tap on the heart icon right next to the product one by one. After you do that, the products will now be moved to the wish list. You can now go back to the home page and tap on the H icon at the top right side of the screen. It will open your wish list. As you can see, all of the products are now added to the wish list. Now, all you need to do is go ahead and select the products from your wish list and add them to the board. Simply tap on the 3 lines at the top right-hand corner and select the product, then tap on Add to Board. You can also name the board if you want to. Now, you can simply tap on the share icon to share the product list with your friends. You can also copy the link by tapping on Copy Link and simply paste the link to the one you want to send to. This is how you can share your cart on the Shein application quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.